Every day in INTAMSYS is full of challenges. We constantly push the boundaries of technologies, such as when using high-performance materials printing, high speed and high precision, reliability, paying attention to the details is what define us.
We offer 3D printing all-in-one solutions for a wide range of high-performance materials, including materials like PEEK carbon fiber, PKK, ULTEM, PPSU, and a variety of other engineering materials such as PC, nylon carbon fiber, ABS, and much more.
Our format products emphasize innovative technology and high-precision manufacturing standards. That is why we have been recognized in Aerospace, Automotive, medical, Jigs Fixtures, scientific research institutions, petrochemical, and other industries.
One of the most important tools for assembling are the jigs and fixtures. Every year we spend a lot of money and time looking for an efficient and fast way to produce parts. We found a suitable solution with INTAMSYS and their 3D printers, and thanks to their format printers we can now print any structure we want, and it only takes a few steps for design and a few hours for producing one part.
The smarter and easier to use format printers can help our customers achieve customized production, minimize cost and time in designing molds.
The INTAMSYS 3D printers not only help us with our nylon carbon fiber that has similar properties to those of metal to achieve lightweight while maintaining similar strength and accuracy, but also with software design models that can be integrated. The most exciting part is that you can customize the components according to customer requirements, which could make the car more personalized.
相比之前的金属材料，运用 INTAMSYS 3D 打印机打印的 PEEK 碳纤有着更好的强度重量比。PEEK 碳纤这种材料也表现出了良好的耐高温性、耐腐蚀性和阻燃性。只需等上几个小时或者一晚上，我们就可以得到一个性能良好的零件。这种方式很大程度上减少了我们小批量生产零件的开模成本和研发时间。
Every day at INTAMSYS, we really believe that what we do can make a difference and help customize our future life.